¿Por qué hay gente de todo el mundo que desea conocer más detalles sobre esta oportunidad de negocio global? Porque saben que, tan cierto como que sale el sol, hay 1.500 millones de personas que se despiertan con dolor crónico, mientras otros miles de millones sufren dolores frecuentes como dolores de cabeza, lesiones y calambres. Y tan cierto como que se pone el sol, miles de millones de hombres y mujeres intentarán recordar cuándo empezaron a verse y sentirse viejos. También se preguntan si hay algo que puedan hacer al respecto. Y cada día, en todo el mundo, cuando sale y se pone el sol, miles de millones de familias se despiertan y se van a dormir con angustia financiera. Un dolor tan real que destroza familias. Sin embargo, en todo el mundo, la gente está descubriendo una empresa y un producto que ofrecen una solución sencilla. Se trata de un dispositivo médico de clase 1 llamado Power Strips, que alivia el dolor y mejora el aspecto y sensación de la piel. Personas de todas las clases sociales están descubriendo los beneficios de Power Strips y la libertad financiera que pueden aprovechar de esta gran oportunidad. Y el mercado está tomando buena nota. Desarrollado por un importante científico de una prestigiosa universidad, este producto patentado lo ofrece exclusivamente FG Express, una nueva división de una empresa que cotiza en bolsa desde hace 10 años, lo que le permite cambiar su futuro financiero, haciéndolo socio de nuestra oportunidad global en cualquier lugar del mundo. Este dispositivo médico de clase 1 se puede enviar con una preciosa tarjeta de felicitación a cualquier parte del planeta. Cada vez que Power Strips llega a uno de los miembros de su equipo o a los clientes, usted gana dinero. Escuchemos a los usuarios de Power Strip.
I was asked by my friend to go play a game of hockey, and I'd only skated once in my life, and I was warned not to even go out on the ice. But I thought, what's the worst thing that can happen? You know, my butt will hurt the next day, I could fall a lot. And I thought, you know, I'll make a lot of people laugh. This will be a lot of fun.
I am a 58-year-old, in great shape person. Health has been a key part of my life for a very long period of time. And about 3 weeks ago, I severely damaged my right knee.
It broke my leg in 3 places. I have 8 pins in my ankle now. But I wake up every day with stiffness and pain.
I could not absolutely walk from the bathroom to the bedroom. I mean, the pain was just so excruciatingly hurtful that you really couldn't even blow on the knee. I'm going to tell you, it was amazing. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
I've had ongoing pain in the left side of my neck. It made sleeping very uncomfortable, not continuous hours of sleep at night usually, a lot of tossing and turning with my pillows, radiating pain from the ball of my spine, I believe, out through the other parts of my back.
You know, when you're in pain, you know, the only thing you want is relief. Muscle pain or a strain, all you want is relief. And you'll do almost anything for relief.
Pain is an insidious process. It affects every aspect of your life. The quality of your sleep suffers. All the activities you do during the day suffer, from work to your leisure activities to the time you spend with your children. It changes the way you see the world. It begins to change your personality. And those who care most about you, the people around you, your family, your friends, they are impacted dramatically.
When Rick Basil contacted me and he said, you know, I think you should try these Power Strips because they're all natural, they're not a pill, they're not a prescription, and I think they can give you relief. And I said, yeah, I'm in. So I put it on that night, I put it right on my scar, and when I woke up the next morning, I can't even express to you how excited I was. I woke up and I went, oh my gosh, I don't have any more stiffness. It's gone. The pain relief was absolutely amazing in one day.
When I got the Power Strips, I put them on my legs, right above my knees. Within 1 hour, I was pain-free. Now, I've lived with this for 8 to 10 years. It hurts going up and down stairs just day to day. I can't function the way I'd like to. Within an hour of taking this, the pain being gone, I actually ran upstairs when my wife called me, and it dawned on me there was no pain.
And I placed the strip on my knee. I'm watching TV, and again, I don't know exactly when the pain subsided, because it wasn't like an abrupt type situation. It was very, it was very casual. And I noticed that for once, within 2 weeks, there was no pain. Talk about being a miraculous situation. I was totally blown away.
I placed a power strip, the first one, on the actual pain, and the first day I felt some relief. I wasn't real certain if it was a power strip or I was just lucky that day. However, I decided to put it on where I believe the pain originated from, which was on that ball on my spine, the second patch, which would be the third day. And the relief I felt at that point over that next 24-hour period was phenomenal. And as you can see, this wasn't even what I put the patch on for, but I can do this now. I'm happy. The patch works. My pain is gone.
And when you look at this pain epidemic worldwide, 1.5 billion people suffer from pain on a daily basis.
Acaba de conocer Power Strips y sus notables efectos regenerativos. Pronto todo el mundo oirá hablar de los innovadores beneficios para lograr una piel sana y joven. Cada año se gastan cientos de miles de millones de dólares en el tratamiento del dolor y el cuidado de la piel. FG Express desea que usted participe en esta gran oportunidad financiera con un producto a un precio de $60, así como $4.95 de gastos de envío a cualquier parte del mundo. FG Express fue inaugurada en enero de 2013 y realiza envíos y el pago de comisiones en más de 140 países, en los cuales varias personas ya están obteniendo ingresos de 6 cifras. Nuestro equipo ha producido la mayoría de los mejores distribuidores de FG Express. Introduzca su correo electrónico y eche un vistazo. Escuche el testimonio de los médicos y conozca al científico que creó Power Strips. Descubra cómo puede llegar el dinero a su cuenta cada semana, al igual que a estas personas. Si se une a nuestro equipo, podrá obtener la mejor asistencia y formación, además de acceso a nuestro sistema de marketing multilingüe. Adelante, eche un vistazo.